I doing? Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here, multicultural. We are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Subscribe and hit the bell 1-2 times, then you will see when I upload. Because I upload a lot. Even more than my 4 days a week, so you should subscribe. If you are subscribed, then you're my little doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? Doll baby, how are you? I don't know what I am doing, okay? Today is a collab because remember, what are we doing? Put it down below. We're doing collabs because we are lifting each other up in 2021. We are just being positive. That is what is happening. So today I'm collabing with one of my favorite wig gals. I've collabed with her in the past. And it's Miss Kimira Jewels, okay? And you can't miss her. Listen, if you're not following her on YouTube and you're not following her on Instagram, you need to do that. When you leave this video, that is what you're going to do. You already know, write it down in your calendar, text yourself, whatever. Kimira is sweet as pie. She is one of the Canadian wig reviewers. So if you're up in Canada and you're looking for someone that's up there, knows what's up there, then she's your girl, okay? She does all kind of fun content and she's like legit queen of the lives. Everybody always wants me to do lives and I just can't. But she is going live. She goes live for hours at a time. So if you like that kind of interactive fun content, the live content, then you have to visit Kimira. So thank you so much for collabing with me again, and let's just get to this. So we're doing Bobbi Boss units. I'm not even sure which Bobbi Boss unit she's doing, so that's exciting. But I pulled out this Juba. Yeah, Juba. This is Juba, and I have her in the color TT1B/gray. She is a human hair blend. She has the deep 4-inch parting. It says 5% human hair, 95% synthetic fiber. Ear to ear lace, and Bobbi Boss just says that they're heat safe. They don't tell you how much, so you just figure it out when you burn it. Let's talk about this. It feels amazing. This is definitely like a texture to yaki texture, but there is so much like silkiness to this, and this color is stunning. It's got a slightly darker root. It says 1B root, but it's not a black root. It's a very dark, it's in the gray family. And it's just this beautiful color. It's got this, there is some hair here. Like it's, it is a nice volume. The luster is beautiful. It's looking shiny in these lights, but it's really not shiny. It just looks like very healthy hair. Wig cap was comfortable. Just to note though, it does not have any combs in the front or back, so there's no combs in this wig. So if you are someone who's looking for maybe a medical wig, if you have any issues with sensitive scalps, or you just don't prefer to wear combs, then this one doesn't even have combs, so it might be a really good option. Let's look at her from the back. She's just like so fun and bouncy. Yeah, she's so like bouncy. This is one of those wigs where I want to walk purposely, so it's like mirror. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. If this is a style that's up your alley and you do kind of want a bob that's a little bit more full and a little bit more, just has a little life to it. If you want to mess around with gray, but you don't want to be like gray, this is a beautiful color for that. I'd put it more into like the charcoal family. So yeah, I definitely think this is a great unit to try out if you haven't. If you have tried this unit out, please put that down below. I'm curious to see what your thoughts are, what color you have. I'm really curious to see what Kimira's wig is going to be. I want to thank her so much for collaborating with me, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I respond to almost every single comment, so there's a lot of commenting back and forth, answering of questions. My doll babies are really great about answering questions and engaging in the comments as well, so we would love to have you as part of our little family here. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!